Good afternoon, everybody. It's Cody from Workflow Secrets. Today is September 11th, and I want to take a moment and reflect on it and give us a little bit of action steps that I believe that we should be looking towards moving forward. Now, over here at Workflow Secrets, we pride ourselves on being an American company full of America-loving individuals. And truthfully, this country has afforded me, as well as my business partner, Mark, so many opportunities because of the fact that we have the freedom to life, liberty, and the pursuit of something greater. We call that happiness. And I think that that's probably one of the reasons that you came to real estate. And that seems to be, for most folks, they were looking for a better life. And real estate was a way that they could help people while working towards that better life. And I was just a kiddo when September 11th happened. However, I remember this really strong sense of unity that came on the days and the weeks to follow. And I would encourage us to really reflect on how in tragedy we can come together as a community. I think that there are a lot of things that we could be really upset by in this country right now. And I think a lot of those could be solved through unity. It's not you versus them. It's not us versus them. It's we the people, right? And I think that if we as Americans would set aside those small differences and start focusing on what we have in common, we would be much better as a country for it. So I would encourage you to spend a little bit of time on September 11th today and really reflect on your role as an American citizen and how you're helping this country move forward, how we're staying united, and how we're helping each other in our own communities be better. And I think that you, as a real estate agent, are probably one of the most perfectly able individuals to help lead that charge, because you are the boots on the ground in your community, helping people achieve their dreams and focus on better. And there's nothing more American than that.